Now, India bid a teary farewell yesterday to the first Chief of Defence Staff of the country, General Bipin Rawat. His final rites were performed here in the Brar Square crematorium in the national capital. His family, his two daughters, in fact, were the ones who cremated him. Of course, it was done with full military honours. A 17-gun salute was accorded to General Bipin Rawat yesterday. The final rites are going to be held in Haridwar, is what we're given to understand today. And the family, including the two daughters and the extended family of General Rawat and Madhulika Rawat, are going to be in Haridwar to immerse the ashes of the couple. Mohit, my colleague, joins me from Haridwar there. Mohit, security, of course, has been beefed up there as we are going to see the extended family and the two daughters of General Rawat and his wife come to Haridwar there. What are we expecting? When is that going to happen?
Well, Willis, as you can see, the preparations are being done over here, and we know for a fact that if you can hear, the army band is practicing the guard of honor that would be given when the ashes will come over here. Now, the Purohits have also come over here. Now, the army, the police, they have all come here in huge numbers. As of now, the army is practicing their band, and they have requested us not to show that, and hence we'll follow all the protocols over here. And in some time from now, the family will reach there, and the ashes will be immersed in the holy Ganga river, and we have the Purohits over here who will be performing the last rite. Sir, आप लोग पुरोहित पूरे गढ़वाल आपने बताया कि जनपद के हैं, समझ गढ़वाल के हैं. रावत साहब की फैमिली के पहले भी जो रहे होंगे एशेज इमर्शन रहे होंगे, वो सब आपने किया आप लोग?
हाँ जी, अभी वो आएंगे और अपना रिकॉर्ड बताएंगे अपनी फैमिली का कि कौन सा गांव है उनका. बिरमौली गांव है, वैसे द्वारिखाल में पड़ता है वो. यस, एज वी आर जस्ट पुरोहित्स ऑफ समस्त गढ़वाल, ऑल ओवर गढ़वाल, एंड वी हैव अ रिकॉर्ड ऑफ अराउंड 350 to 400 years old. So we'll check it in Bahi.
And what time this will take place?
They're going to come around 11 a.m. and let's see if they get a bit late. The process will take around 1 hour.
सर, अभी वो आएंगे, उसके बाद आप देखेंगे उनके नाम देखेंगे, जो नाम रहेंगे उसके हिसाब से परिवार की पूरी डिटेल होती है. उसके बाद जो है एशेस के इमर्शन होगा. आर्मी की तरफ से भी पूरी यहाँ पे पीछे तैयारी करी गई है. अभी आधे घंटा लगेगा.
Good morning. We cannot say good morning. Today is not a good day for. It's an honorable day, but not a good. We lost a good soldier of our India. We lost someone very precious of us, who means ever die, but was in our heart. But today, when they comes with the ashes, after that, it takes 30 minutes over here to take the all process. All the comes will be will do by the rituals of Garhwal as well, of their own rituals straight, and
the whole process will then take place.
Yeah.
So you heard the people over here. The preparations are being done, and finally the country will bid due to the brave general and his wife, whose ashes will be immersed over here. The preparations are being done. This is the VIP Ghat over here in Haridwar, and in some time from now, when the family reaches over here, and we know for a fact that how the daughters of General Bipin Rawat and Madhulika Rawat, they perform the light splice ceremony of the couple, and they all will be coming here. And in around half an hour, they all will come, and then we'll see the ashes would be immersed. And we know that how yesterday, when the whole country paid their tributes to General Bipin Rawat and his wife, and when his mortal remains were being carried to the Brar Square in Delhi Kent, every single person was watching that on TV. People were there on the ground. They were showering petals on the convoy. They were raising slogans, and they were raising slogans like General Bipin Rawat Amar Rahe. And you can see people over here, they have tears in their eyes, and they as of now say that India has lost a brave son. But yes, whatever he has done for the country, it will always be remembered. And in some time from now, the ashes immersion of General Bipin Rawat and his wife will take place over here at this ghat. The army is also prepared, and in some time from now, when the family reaches over here, the army band will play. All the guards of honor which army usually gives, they all will be given to the great General Bipin Singh Rawat. Back to you.
Right, Mohit, thank you so much for getting us those details. We, of course, will keep coming back to you. India did bid a teary farewell, I beg your pardon, yesterday to General Bipin Rawat and his wife, also to Brigadier Lidar. But there have been several others who also died in that unfortunate chopper crash in Coonoor in Tamil Nadu. The crash, the gravity of it was so severe that the Air Force had to take some time to complete the identification, the DNA identification of the crew members that were on board that Mi-17 V5 chopper. The mortal remains, we're given to understand now, of the crew will be flown back to their hometowns. At least 3 of those have now been positively identified, and their mortal remains with full military honors will be handed over to their families today.
50 kilometers from Rajasthan's Jhunjhunu district headquarters, a pall of gloom has descended on Galdana, the native village of squadron leader Kuldeep Singh. A co-pilot in the ill-fated Mi-17 V5 chopper, Kuldeep is one of the 13 braves martyred in Wednesday's tragic crash. Father, a retired Navy officer, sister currently serving in the Navy. Kuldeep's family is the pride of the village, and the loss is deeply felt by one and all.
हमारे लिए सबसे ज़्यादा सेटबैक है और देश के लिए भी सेटबैक है कि भारतीय सेना ने इतने होनहार अफसर को खो दिया है। हमारे परिवार के लिए ये बहुत दुख की घड़ी है और उनका बलिदान हम हमेशा याद रखेंगे। यही हमारे लिए दुख की घड़ी है।
Even before the immediate family members could arrive, the locals gathered to prepare for the final rites, waiting for the mortal remains with tears in their eyes but hearts filled with pride.
आज हमारे गांव के लिए, पूरे ज़िले के लिए, राज्य के लिए, कहूँ तो देश के लिए बहुत ही क्षति हुई है। कुलदीप राव का व्यक्तित्व बहुत ही शानदार व्यक्तित्व था। एक ईमानदार, कर्तव्यनिष्ठ और समाज सेवी के रूप में उनकी अलग से पहचान थी। आज हमारे पूरे गांव में शोक की लहर है, लेकिन हम सभी ग्रामवासी ये संकल्प लेते हैं कि भाई कुलदीप राव की शहादत को हम सैल्यूट करते हैं। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Kuldeep was married just 2 years ago, and the demise has devastated one and all. But today, Galdana prepares to give a fitting farewell to its son. Times Now salutes the martyr.
Jai Jawan and Jai Kisan resonated in the family of Lance Naik B. Sai Teja, a 27-year-old dedicated soldier belonging to the family of farmers, was the personal security officer of CDS Rao. His family is yet to come to terms with the tragic reality. Syamala, his wife, will never be able to forget the last video call her husband made 4 hours before the ill-fated crash. Teja donned his uniform before stepping out of his home after a month-long leave in September. But his body will come to his home this time, wrapped in the tricolor. His 2 children, aged 5 and 2, who barely got to know their father, will now grow up to his tales of valor.